Welcome to our lesson on the foundation of massage effectiveness, the circulatory systems. Today we'll explore how the cardiovascular and lymphavascular systems work together to keep our bodies healthy, and why understanding these systems is crucial for anyone providing massage or wellness services. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid grasp of how blood and lymph move throughout the body, supporting overall health and enhancing the benefits of massage. Let's begin our journey into the amazing world of human circulation and discover what makes these systems so vital. Let's spark some curiosity. Whose hearts do you think beat faster, women's or men's? Questions like these help us appreciate the unique ways our bodies function. Understanding the differences in heart rates and how the body responds to various factors can help you tailor your massage techniques for each client. The more you know about how the body works, the better care you can provide, ensuring your clients both look and feel their best. This foundational knowledge is key to delivering effective and personalized services. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to state the structure and function of the cardiovascular system, explain how the heart moves blood through the circulatory system, and identify the purpose of blood within the human body. These objectives will guide our exploration and help you connect the science of circulation to the art of massage. Let's keep these goals in mind as we move forward, building a strong foundation for your practice. You'll also learn to describe the blood vessels that circulate blood throughout the body, name key arteries and veins, and explain the main function of the lymphavascular system. These details are essential for anyone interested in health, wellness, or massage, as they reveal how nutrients, oxygen, and immune cells travel to every part of the body. With this knowledge, you'll be able to offer more informed and effective care. Did you know your heart beats about 100,000 times a day? Over an average lifetime, that adds up to around 3 billion beats, and within just a tiny droplet of blood, there are about 5 million red blood cells. These facts highlight the incredible efficiency and complexity of our circulatory system, which works tirelessly to keep us alive and well every single moment. The circulatory or vascular system controls the circulation of both blood and lymph. It's divided into two main subsystems: the cardiovascular system, which handles blood circulation through arteries, veins, and capillaries, and the lymphavascular system, responsible for lymph circulation. The lymphatic system includes lymph nodes, the thymus gland, tonsils, adenoids, spleen, and lymphatic vessels. Together, these systems maintain fluid balance, deliver nutrients, and protect against disease. At the center of the cardiovascular system is the heart, a cone-shaped, muscular organ about the size of your closed fist. It contracts and relaxes rhythmically to move blood throughout the body. The average resting heart rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute, regulated by the sympathetic nervous system and the vagus nerve. This steady rhythm is what keeps oxygen and nutrients flowing to every cell. The heart is encased in a protective membrane called the pericardium. Inside, it's divided into four chambers: the right and left atria, upper chambers, and the right and left ventricles, lower chambers. Each chamber plays a specific role in receiving and pumping blood, ensuring that oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood are efficiently managed and directed throughout the body. Blood circulates through the body as a sticky, salty fluid, bringing nourishment and oxygen to every part. It also carries toxins and waste products to the liver and kidneys for elimination. The average adult has about 8 to 10 pints of blood, which constantly moves to keep all body systems functioning smoothly. Blood does more than just transport oxygen. It also moves nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. Blood protects us by fighting infections and clotting to prevent blood loss. It also helps regulate body temperature, pH balance, and blood pressure, making it essential for overall health and stability. Blood is made up of several key components. Red blood cells, erythrocytes, carry oxygen and hemoglobin, turning blood a deep scarlet when oxygen is low. White blood cells, leukocytes, fight bacteria and increase during infection. Platelets, thrombocytes, are responsible for clotting, while plasma, the fluid part of blood, carries all these cells and is 90% water. Each component plays a vital role in keeping us healthy. Blood travels through a network of vessels. Arteries are thick-walled and elastic, carrying oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. Veins are thinner and bring oxygen-poor blood back to the heart with valves to prevent backflow. Capillaries connect arteries and veins, delivering nutrients and oxygen to cells and removing waste. This system ensures every cell gets what it needs. The circulatory system has two main circuits: systemic and pulmonary. Oxygen-poor blood enters the right atrium, moves to the right ventricle, and is pumped to the lungs via the pulmonary artery for oxygenation. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the left atrium, passes to the left ventricle, and is sent throughout the body via the aorta. This cycle repeats continuously, keeping the body supplied with oxygen and nutrients. The common carotid arteries supply blood to the head, face, and neck. Each splits into internal and external carotid arteries. The internal carotid supplies the brain, eyes, and forehead, with branches like the supraorbital and infraorbital arteries. The external carotid supplies the skin and muscles of the head. These arteries ensure vital areas receive a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients. The internal and external jugular veins return all blood from the head, face, and neck to the heart. Other important arteries include the occipital, which supplies the back of the head, and the posterior auricular, which supplies the scalp above and behind the ears. These vessels play a crucial role in maintaining circulation in the upper body. The superficial temporal artery supplies blood to the sides and top of the head, with branches reaching the forehead, crown, temples, and masseter muscle. The external maxillary artery supplies the lower face, including the mouth and nose. Its branches deliver blood to the chin, lips, and sides of the nose, supporting facial health and function. In the arms, the ulnar artery supplies blood to the little finger side of the forearm and hand, while the radial artery supplies the thumb side. These arteries branch into smaller vessels, ensuring that every part of the hand and arm receives the oxygen and nutrients needed for movement and sensation. The arteries of the lower leg and foot include the popliteal, anterior tibial, posterior tibial, and dorsalis pedis arteries. These supply blood to the knee, calf, and foot. The saphenous and femoral veins transport blood back to the heart and lungs for oxygenation, completing the circulatory loop in the lower body. The lymphavascular system picks up and returns leaked tissue fluid and plasma proteins to the cardiovascular system. It also transports nourishment from the blood to body cells, removes metabolic waste, helps maintain fluid balance, and distributes white blood cells to develop immunity. This system is essential for fighting infection and keeping tissues healthy. Lymph is a colorless liquid that travels through lymph vessels, formed as plasma passes nourishment to capillaries and cells. Lymph nodes filter foreign particles from the lymph, and swollen or tender nodes often indicate infection. This system acts as a secondary defense, supporting the body's immune response. Let's pause and check your understanding. Reviewing key points helps reinforce what you've learned so far. Take a moment to reflect on the structure and function of the cardiovascular and lymphavascular systems. This active recall strengthens your memory and prepares you for practical application. Continuing with our knowledge check, let's review more details about blood vessels and their roles. Understanding these concepts is essential for anyone working in health or wellness. Each review question helps you identify areas for further study and solidifies your grasp of the material. Let's keep affirming your understanding with another set of review questions. These checks are designed to help you recall important facts about the cardiovascular and lymphatic systems, ensuring you're ready to apply this knowledge in real-world scenarios. As we continue, another knowledge check helps you consolidate your learning. Reviewing these key points ensures you're building a strong foundation for understanding how massage and wellness practices support the circulatory and lymphatic systems. Congratulations, you've made great progress in understanding the circulatory and lymphatic systems. Celebrating your learning helps reinforce the knowledge you've gained and motivates you to continue exploring the science behind massage and wellness. Let's take another moment to celebrate your achievements. Every step you take in mastering these concepts brings you closer to providing exceptional care and understanding the science that supports effective massage techniques. As you continue to validate your learning, remember that each new concept builds on the last. Your dedication to understanding the circulatory and lymphatic systems will pay off in your ability to help clients feel their best. You've reached another milestone in your learning journey. Take pride in your progress and keep building on this foundation. The more you know about the body's systems, the more effective and confident you'll be in your practice. Let's review what you've learned. The cardiovascular and lymphavascular systems are essential for transporting nutrients, oxygen, and immune cells throughout the body. Understanding these systems helps you provide better care and enhances the effectiveness of massage. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember that a strong foundation in science leads to better outcomes for your clients. To wrap up, let's recap the key concepts. The heart, blood vessels, and lymphatic system work together to maintain health and support the body's functions. This knowledge is the foundation for effective massage and wellness practices, Continue to build on this understanding as you advance in your studies and career.